Oh guys, early guys, type fishing guys. I don't have fish already guys. I have that one back from the flying already guys. But this time no empty already my fish like. I wake up early, like 6 o'clock until now I'm down in the inside like 6:20. Me, I trying catching the early morning this mallet because that Saturday in the Smiling Cove guys I catching 1.5 of the mallet, but that place is according to the policeman he cannot fishing that place because that's only the parking boat only after the fishing derby leaving guys. Now I'm here now. I'm trying, and then also in the Garpan, I catching also the tilapia. All right, good morning everybody, guys. Only me now on the beach side. All right, I not yet catching, but maybe soon I catching, guys. Let's go na guys. Continues natin guys. Morning darling in California guys, and Mommy B, Mommy Linda in California. Darling, good morning. Good morning everybody guys. Morning Ma. Hi guys. Meron na yata tayo na huli guys. Guys oh. I don't know what kind of fish this one guys. But at least we have a first catching na tayo guys. Alright guys, hindi na tayong zero ha. Meron na tayong mamamaputi guys. Ha? Empty yan guys ha. Baka sabihin nyo, scammer si Papa Jer guys. Wala na kong isda kaya mag-harvest man tayo guys. Papalat Papa Jer. Set out lahat yan. Good morning. Guys, ticket this one. Number 2 guys. Ha? Guys, oh. Come on, Mama. Guys, Mama again, guys. Come on, Mama. Guys, oh. Yan. Nakatalawa na tayo, guys. Huli lang. Patrok, right? Guys, consist lang. Guys, oh. Na kawala sa atin guys. Another one guys. I don't know what kind of fish this one guys. Laban lang guys. Laban lang. Alright. Malakapas guys. Not bad. Gusto lang. Already 3 pieces ay losing guys. Lang. Continuous lang. Guys oh. Guys, Papa Curious is fighting guys. Here. It's coming guys, you see that? It's coming. Oh, mahalik guys. Guys. That's the one guys. At least mayroon. Nakakuha tayong malik ngayon. Sige lang, continuous natin guys. Guys, si Mamagin guys. I wish not losing guys, because I already 5 losing already guys. Lakas si Mama guys. It's coming. It's coming guys. It's coming. Come Mama. Come Mama. There guys. Whew. See? Huli now guys. It's okay. Ayan na guys. Oh. Let's go lang guys. Continuous natin guys. Maaga pa naman. Alas 7 na yata guys. Alright, let's go lang guys. Let's go lang. Sana. Nawala tayo agad ng isa guys. Dapat nakuha natin to si mama guys. Ayun, nakaupo lang kasi ako guys. Lazy fisherman kasi guys. Ayun, laki guys. Yan. Alright, Mr. B. Lazy talaga si Papa Jerry guys. Pito na yung nawala sa atin guys. Ilang. Continuous natin to guys. Habang mag-aga pa. Okay guys. Continuous tayo guys. Grabing. I'm losing a lot guys. The maputi this time guys. Yes, okay. Yes, meron kapalit guys. Okay guys. Yeah. There. See, I'm losing a lot today. I don't know what happened. Okay guys, let's go lang. Continuous natin guys. This still is catching. Alright guys, let's go. Sana. Okay guys, you sit down your bucket and catching si mama guys. Alis mama guys. See, continuous na guys. As a lot of losing today guys. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry, Papa Jerry. Come on. Kasi no more fish already in your freezer. So now you fishing again. Yes, sir. Enjoy lang. Enjoy lang, Mr. B. I love you, Mr. B. And Mami Linda with Anita Tomboy. With Omar Ayuste guys. Enjoy lang, Papa Jerry. Alright guys, time to go home. 9:30 guys, so 9:40, I don't know. But time to go home. But I don't see it. People fishing now at Tulay guys. Even one kayak, I don't see it on the beach side. As I already maybe like 10 already. 10:40, I don't know. Time to go home to eat. Already hungry already. By the way, I catch it some, but a lot now I'm losing guys, like maybe 7. Yeah, this is look there. Yeah, and this is my catching guys. See, at least I have a catch today, and I have a video today too. And still, that's the one is Saturday I catching the big malit, yeah, and banak, that one, and also the tilapia guys. Alright, Mr. B, shout out, Mars, and God bless you guys. I love you guys. See you soon guys. I love you mama, and I love you guys, and I love you mama in the sea. See you soon. This is my another fishing guys. Let's go lang.